2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, CD player, fog lamps, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, security system, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.